Welcome to DynaMaker Features Dimensions. Did you know that you can add dimensions to your DynaMaker app? They typically show the distance between 2 points, but it's their customization that adds more flexibility and uniqueness to your visualizations and drawings. A dimension can only be added via a layout that is added in the 3D space, as layout.addDimension, given the start and end points as SkyMath Vector 2D. As for the arguments to customize this dimension, you have decimals as number of decimals shown in the text, offset as the length of the extension lines, textSize to control the size of the text, or directionOfMeasurement as a 2D vector defining the orientation, which can help when you just want the horizontal or vertical distance, for example. Then more appearance-related properties like lineStyle as string with solid, dotted, or dashed lines, lineThickness as number to control the size of the line, or lineColor and textColor to change the color of the lines or text respectively, given a color in any of the 4 formats available. And finally, text that allows you to override the text shown in the dimension with whatever dynamic string, which can be useful in some cases, to include units or any other special characters. Besides these specific arguments for each dimension, you can also define some properties at layout level, affecting all dimensions without specified arguments, and therefore inheriting them from the layout. Some of these related to dimensions are defaultDimensionContinuousLines, to ensure that the text follows the orientation of the dimension, defaultDimensionLineTerminator, to switch the ends between arrows, oblique lines, or leave them open, or defaultDimensionExtensionLineType with extended to extend them to the points of measurement, with minimal to reduce them to short lines, or remove them completely with none. Do you want to know more? Check out our documentation at docs.dynamaker.com.